They are car parts. Let's make it up step by step. Are you ready to assemble?
Yes!
Cool.
What's next?
Nice. Good. Nice wheel.
I like it!
Good job. It looks good.
Wahoo!
That's the engine.
Yes!
Very good. Nice seat. The lid of a car is his. Look at the door.
It's interesting!
I'm so funny.
That's a good fit. Oh, what's next? Wow, it's big.
蓝色。
Nice! Exciting!
It's almost finished.
Oh,
That's cool. Perfect. It's dump truck.
let's go.
Yay! That's an amazing egg. 太神奇了！
I love it.
I'm so happy. This is amazing. I had a wonderful time. Cool. 下一集更精彩哦。